practical number 1, that was create a simple calculator in the previous part. Now we'll start with the second practical, that is create a servlet for login page. If the username and password are correct, then it says hello, the username which we have provided, else login field. So here we have to create one login page with two fields such as username and password, and in the servlet we have to either display username if it is correct and else if it is wrong. So we have done the first one. Now we'll move to the second one. So here we start with our application. So we'll click on the file, new project. So we'll create Java Web and we'll write practical 1B, new Glassfish server as it is, no need to select any framework, and finish. So here our second project is created. Right, we'll remove all the relevant extra changes. We'll change the title to login, login form, login app, you can name it anything. And in the div, we'll remove the div for now and we'll write a form, open close. We'll write method for it. Method will again be post. So here we'll write enter username, and after that we'll write input type is equal to text, name for it, that is username, right? And okay, so we'll close this tag and we'll add br. We'll write enter password, the input type for it. Now input type will be password because we want the password should not be displayed on the screen to the user. वो स्क्रीन के ऊपर यूज़र को दिखना नहीं चाहिए, इसके लिए हम उसको दे देते. तो यहाँ पे यूज़र पासवर्ड लिख देते हैं हम एंड विल राइट द br टैग. थर्ड चीज़ हमको क्या चाहिए, बटन. इनपुट टाइप इज इक्वल टू सबमिट, नेम इज इक्वल टू लॉगिन एंड क्लोज. अगर वैल्यू लिखना है तो वैल्यू भी लिख सकते हैं. सो वैल्यू विल बी क्लिक टू लॉगिन. ओके, सो input type is equal to submit. Okay, one more button for reset. So input type is equal to reset. Okay, done. So now here this is done. So here click on the practical 1B, source packages, create one servlet file, name the servlet file as login servlet. The default package will be the default package. Then add information to deployment descriptor. If we don't add this to deployment descriptor, then it will not be able to connect to our page. So now the next step over here will be the action. Action means where we want to submit it. So we'll write login servlet over here. Now we remove the unwanted changes from here. We'll remove everything from here. We'll start with public void do post we have HTTP request, servlet request, that will be request, HTTP servlet response. What will come after that? Throws. Alright, throws, servlet exception, IO exception. Okay, fine with this. इतना हो गया. Now next will be again response dot set content type that we have discussed last time. It will be text slash HTML colon character set is equal to UTF-8. Now print writer स्क्रीन के ऊपर डिस्प्ले करना है is equal to response dot get writer. ओके, अब सेम प्रोसेस एज ऑफ लास्ट टाइम. सबसे पहले हेड, टाइटल, बॉडी डिक्लेयर कर देंगे. सो HTML हेड टाइटल हो गया मेरा. सो टाइटल नाउ विल बी सर्वलेट लॉगिन फॉर्म और सर्वलेट लॉगिन जस्ट. टाइटल बंद कर देंगे, head बंद कर देंगे. we'll close these two. Now what we have to do is uname for the username will get the data from the get parameter method. So what was the username? String u pass is equal to request dot get parameter user password. So we'll again have a look at the names over here carefully. So username को username यहाँ से कॉपी कर लेते हैं, पेस्ट कर देते हैं. यूज़र पासवर्ड यहाँ से कॉपी करते हैं और यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं. सो नाउ दिस इज डन. हेड के साथ अपने को बॉडी भी ओपन करना है. नाउ विल चेक विद द ID and password. इफ uname dot equals, now we'll write admin and upassword dot equals password 123. if it matches then we'll have to display login and the username, और अगर वो मैच नहीं करता है तो we have to write login failed. So चलो, now let's again continue for the success part first. तो out dot println के अंदर अपने को करना है welcome. So we'll again use h1 tag over here, h1 and h1 close welcome, and here we'll write the uname जो भी यूजर नेम ने पास किया. बट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू नाउ इज, अच्छा, सो हियर व्हाट विल डू इज बॉडी हम यहाँ से हटा देते हैं बिकॉज वी वांट टू ऐड सम कलर नाउ. हाँ, वी कैन ऐड कलर्स ऑल्सो डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन. सो वील राइट बॉडी and bg color is equal to blue. So what will happen over here is the background color will get changed over here. Okay, so here also we'll start one body, and here the color will be red because it will be login field. So again out dot println, and in double quotes we'll write h1, and here just login field, nothing apart from that. And last we'll outside the if condition we'll print body close and HTML close. So इतना हो गया. Now we have understood of what we have done is response.get content type. तो यहाँ से we will get the content type to text HTML character set UTF-8. उसके बाद प्रिंट राइटर लिखा हुआ है, सो दैट वी इफ़ यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले एनीथिंग ऑन द यूजिंग सर्वलेट, इफ़ यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले एनीथिंग सो वील एबल टू डिस्प्ले इट। फिर हमने दो यूज़र नेम और पासवर्ड का जो हमने यहाँ पे फॉर्म टैग बनाया था उसका डेटा वी आर कलेक्टिंग ओवर हियर। We are comparing whether the username is admin and password is password123. If it is successful, then we'll change the background color of the body and we'll add welcome and the username. Else we'll change the background color to red and login field. And the last part is to close the body which is opened over here and the HTML which is opened over here. So we'll run our program now. So our build is successful. Now let's wait for the browser to open. Okay, it's open now. Let the output come. ओके, सो योर आर डेटा इज़ लोडेड। सो सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं हातिम एंड पासवर्ड हातिम एंड क्लिक ऑन रीसेट एंड चेक। यस, माई डेटा इज गेटिंग resetted. Now we are typing the wrong username and wrong password first to check whether we are getting login as failed. So here I have clicked on click to login and we can check that it has come login failed. And if we type the right one, that is admin and password 123, we'll get welcome admin. So this is right, of course. Now we'll again go to our servlet and login servlet and check over here. यहाँ पे हमने कलर का नाम थोड़ा गलत लिखा हुआ था. We'll again come over here and let's refresh. Okay, we'll again reload it from here. Okay, so we'll write Hatim again. Okay, so it has come login failed. Now we write the right password, that is admin password 123. It is coming perfect. So here actually the spelling of my background color is wrong. We'll again reload it. Okay, so here we'll write the wrong ID and password Hatim. So here it comes that login is failed, and if we write the correct one, admin and password 123, it will get displayed as welcome and the name of the user. So here with this we complete our second practical also. 1B. Thank you.